Welcome to the demo of Integration Package SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition Integration with Shopify. The package supports the integration between Shopify and SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition for both master data and transactional data using SAP Integration Suite. Business process supported are order processing, order cancellation and order returns along with delivery processing. It supports replication of master data like products, product stock, product price, and discounts along with customer master data. Along with replication of transactional data like orders, order cancellation, order returns from Shopify and delivery details from SAP S/4HANA. For more details refer to SAP Business Accelerator Hub. Let's have a look at demo in the system. You start as Shopify admin, replicating product from S/4HANA Public to Shopify, and as a customer create orders in Shopify and replicate them back to S/4HANA Public. The product to be replicated is Crowfoot wrench. You could decide to replicate one or many products. To start the product replication, log into your SAP Integration Suite instance. First you need to discover and then, in Design option, navigate to Published Integration Package SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition Integration with Shopify package. As part of the package, following business processes are supported. Replicate products, product stock, product prices and discounts, delivery details from source ERP SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to Shopify. And replicate customers, orders, order cancellation, order returns from Shopify to SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. Covering order processing and order cancellation and order return processing. The package consists of collection of integration flows. Look for integration flow replicate products from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to Shopify. First configure the integration flow. Note, configuration step is done once. First configure how often you want to run, using timer options like run once, schedule daily, schedule to recur, and advanced, select the best suited for your business case. Next is to configure URL of the S/4HANA public cloud system and filter for the product master data to be replicated. For the demo we are filtering one product. Using customer post-exit flow and pre-exit flow for customizing the integration flow for specific business case. It gives customization flexibility for partners and customers. To start the replication, deploy the integration flow, which starts the replication data in background, and you can check the status of replication using monitor option. Now let's have a detailed look at the one of the integration flow used for replicating products. It usually starts with timer. That user can be used for scheduling, and user could use pre-exit and post-exit to configure integration flow for specific business case. It would be interesting to get your feedback, whether exits are sufficient for you to adjust it to the needs of your customer's business case. And also, when you want to extend a flow, we have the options to create an own custom integration flow and use the option Process Direct to connect custom integration flow to existing flow, and with this customization option you can do your own extensions. And now let's take a look at the product replication status. By navigating to Monitor Integrations and APIs, and navigate to Monitor Message Processing and open the latest messages and open Replicate Products from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to Shopify. Navigate to Logs and you notice product is successfully replicated from SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition to Shopify. You as Shopify admin, you would like to look for latest replicated product, and as you could notice the new product Crowfoot wrench would appear after refresh. Let's take a look at the product details like title, price, and available stock, along with inventory details like the SKU, stock keeping unit, represents the product ID in SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. As a Shopify admin, you would like to prepare the product for online sale by setting sales channel to online store, and which will enable listing of product in Shopify online store. Make sure to set the status of the product from draft to active and save the product master changes. Note, only the active products are listed Shopify storefront. Now as a customer persona, you would like to buy the product and start the buying process. Navigate to Shopify storefront and look for product to be purchased and start the buying process. Select the product from product catalog. As a customer you could either add the product to cart, to buy it later, or buy now. Click on Buy It Now. Customer ship to address along with account details is populated. And now complete the payment process by entering card details, and note, system provides different payment options, including credit card payment. And click on Pay Now option. An order is created successfully. Order confirmation email would be sent to customer account email. Customer successfully completed the order placement in the Shopify storefront. As a Shopify admin now, let's check the newly created order. Navigate to Meta Field section. Notice the value in the field SAP S/4HANA Cloud Order ID. The field value is blank, and after successful replication of order from Shopify to SAP S/4HANA Cloud System, the order ID will be populated. To start the order replication, deploy the integration flow. Replicate orders from Shopify to SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, which starts the replication. Now let's take a look at the order replication status. The order replication is completed successfully. You can also check the order created in S/4HANA Cloud System is updated in the meta field SAP S/4HANA Cloud Order ID of Shopify order. Copy the order ID and navigate to SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition System. Open the order by navigating to Application Manage Sales Orders, version 2. Open the relevant order. Check the order details replicated from Shopify order, like customer details, represented as sold to party and shipped to party, along with item details like product and quantity, along with price information. Edit the order and prepare the order to be delivery ready. Enter the relevant requested delivery date in the header and items section, so that the order could be delivered on a relevant requested date. Save the order. Check the process flow to view the relevant documents created in the system, which shows the order and plan delivery document created in SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. As a next step, you will be playing the role of a shipping specialist and create an outbound delivery for the order. To create an outbound delivery, navigate to Application, Create Outbound Deliveries with Order Reference. Shipping specialist would have to pick the shipping point from where item needs to be shipped to customer. Enter the relevant shipping point and enter the relevant order ID. Note, customer reference field shows the order ID in the Shopify system. Click on Continue, and select the relevant item record to be shipped. Cross-check the details like product being shipped along with delivery quantity and other details, and click on Save. Outbound delivery document is created. Copy the newly created outbound delivery ID. As a shipping specialist, you would like to complete the picking process for the newly created outbound delivery. Navigate to Application, Pick Outbound Delivery, enter the delivery ID. Enter the relevant details, like actual GI date and the picking quantity, and click on Save and trigger Post-Goods Issue action. Note, post-goods issue is a crucial step in the shipping process that updates inventory and financial records after goods are physically released from a warehouse or plant. It signifies that the goods are no longer part of the company's on-hand stock and triggers various downstream processes. With this, the order fulfillment is completed in SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. Navigate to Process Flow in the order document, and you could view all the relevant documents created in the system for a given standard order along with outbound delivery. Note, the status of the order is completed and status of the outbound delivery is shipped. Navigate to the order in Shopify. The delivery ID is not filled. To replicate the delivery details from S/4HANA Cloud System to Shopify, run the integration flow. Replicate delivery details from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to Shopify and deploy, which starts the replication. Check the replication status in the Monitor section. Refresh the order and note the meta field SAP S/4HANA Cloud Outbound Delivery ID is updated with Outbound Delivery ID from S/4HANA Cloud System. Note, the Shopify order status is changed from unfulfilled to fulfilled, along with meta fields are updated with relevant document details created in SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. With this, we complete the demo end-to-end order fulfillment process. Let's summarize the demo flow. We started with integration flow from master data product replication from S4 Public to Shopify, which will replicate product stock and price discount details to Shopify. After successful master data replication, user could create orders in Shopify and replicate orders to S4 Public system and complete the order processing in S4 Public and replicate back delivery details to Shopify. which completes the end-to-end orders processing in Shopify.